YouTube? How y'all doing today? Today we're taking a look at this Nitecore EDC31 3500 lumen pocket light. This is a brand new offering from them. Just came out. Get this thing out of the box and check out the specs, and then a bit later on in the video we'll do some outdoor testing, and then at night, and then a wrap. Okay, so we got everything out of the package here. We come with the flashlight, instruction manual. It's like it's one of those deals that's in a whole bunch of different languages with tiny little printing. It comes with a Nitecore branded USB-C cord and then a lanyard. And here's our light itself. So I've been carrying their EDC23 wedge light for, I don't know, 3 or 4 months. They sent this out to the channel to have it evaluated, and I like this one. This is 2500 lumens. This one is significantly brighter at 3500. And this has the lumen shield feature, so no matter what mode you're in, you just press and hold the tail cap and it's full maximum brightness. So very cool. But this has an intelligent charging system, so you can't overcharge it. It's got indicator lights on the side that light up to let you know how much charge it has. You can see right here in the chart the output on each mode: high, medium, low, search, and turbo mode. It's pretty powerful. And the IPX rating for this is IP68, which is very, very good. That's like Navy SEAL grade. That means you can do anything short of diving with this thing. Like, you know, that's full military grade waterproof rating. So excellent there. It's very light. I say probably weighs 3 ounces, maybe, something like that. Very light. Nice size. Hold up again here next to the EDC23. Right there, you can see it's got a good size. It's not too big. Appears to be 1 inch in diameter. Nice heavy duty aluminum construction. Here's your charger port right here. It's got a positive on-off switch, which some people will appreciate. You can see on the back here is our charging indicators right there. Now, one thing I can tell you, this guy gets pretty hot. And it's got a heat warning right in the front. So you're going to want to hold the back half of the light away from the head, because that head gets pretty hot on turbo mode. I think they call it lumen shield mode at 3500 lumens. Okay, now to switch the modes, you're just going to light tap the tail cap. And that cycles you through all your modes, then a full press, and you get your turbo. And then if you give it like a quick tap on and off, that's what turns it on and off. So pretty simple, easy to use, very straightforward. Let's get out here tonight. Let's use this thing and see how it works. Okay, folks, we're out here on the homestead with our EDC31. This is our Nitecore. And we hit that, and you could see, boom. Now, it is, let me turn that off. You could see pitch black out here. You know, I got some lawn lights, but they don't really illuminate more than a few feet. And I hit this thing, oof, you can see all the way out to those trees in the distance. That's over 100 yards. Now, this light does get warm, so when you want to hold this, you don't want to hold the bezel. I can tell you that right now, because this thing is well in excess of 3,000 lumens, and that tip gets warm for sure on turbo mode, and I'm on turbo mode right now. We're looking down here. Now it steps down pretty quickly because of the heat. And then, you know, I put the specifications on screen already that shows you what each brightness is. But you let your finger off the trigger for a second or two and you get right back into turbo. And turbo is overwhelming. It's designed to, you know, completely dazzle an attacker in the moment. You know, this is a tactical light. You can see what down there. Even on the high mode, you could see my 100-yard target over there, no problem. So this is a very, very bright light. Definitely good performance. Here we go, we're on low mode right here. And this is like a little more than a candle mode. And then we get to, I guess, medium. And now over there in the woods, those trees you could see, they're about 30 yards away. So this would be good for reading or navigating around a campsite. Then we got a high. And there's some 40-yard targets right there. You could see them no problem. Now with my naked eye, I could see all the way across. Oh, you can too. That's over 100 yards away over there. Down there. And then like extra high. And then turbo, which is overwhelming. With turbo, you could see well in excess of 200 yards. No problem out here. So really cool light. The UI is a little complicated for my taste, but you know, once you get used to it, it's fine. But this is a very, very bright, very nice flashlight. All right, folks, it's about, you can see we got snow over the ground. It's about 15 degrees out here or something like that. So we're going to head on back in. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remind me out.